was just sent this 360 orb ball. This thing is super cool. So on the inside, all of the little propellers are just right there on the inside, so you don't have to worry about it getting caught in your hair or getting caught on anything else that is out there. So I really appreciate that feature. It also has the charging cord. Now it takes about 25 minutes to fully charge it, and then you can use it for about 10 to 15 minutes. This one actually has LED lights. So I am really excited to try this thing out. I'm gonna bring you in here close to show you what it looks like, and then we're gonna put it to the test. So right here on the inside, you actually have your power button, and I just turned it on so you can actually see all of the lights already going in there. And then when you wanna charge it, you just get your little charging cable, and then that is right there too. You may have to spin this around a little bit to get to it, but you can do that. Oh, get it charged up and ready to go. So now to start it up, you have to shake it 5 times. And then you can just throw it to your partner if you want to. Catch it, makes it super simple. If you did want to just hover it, you just put it over your hand and it just kind of hovers there. This is a really neat little ball. Whenever you're done with it, you just shake it, turns off, you can charge it up for next time. So here's the orb just in the dark so you can kind of see just how fun these lights are. And then when you turn it on, it would be a really cool game to play at night or during the day because this has got a lot of capabilities to it.